library now. Where are you? Yeah.
Hey, I got here as soon as I could, Spidey. What's the trouble?
Glad you could help, Spin. Someone set off the alarm in the library.
Who'd steal from a library? You can borrow the books for free.
Huh. Good question. That might give us the answer.
That's Green Goblin's glider. He must have broken in.
I think the best thing to do is sneak up on him, super quietly, and find out what he's doing.
Right, with my cloaking power. Nobody's better at sneaking up on bad guys than me. Go, Webs, go!
Looks like Gobby broke through the window.
Look! That room with the light on is my favorite in the whole library.
That's where they keep all the books about legends?
Exactly! Books that are filled with stories from a long time ago. So, what's Green Goblin doing in there? There's Green Goblin, and he's reading?
This story about the Pumpkin King will tell me how to find his sword. Once I figure out where it's hidden, I will be unstoppable. It says, if you wish to find the power sword, go to the place where his armor is stored? Huh, where could that be?
Goblin's after a power sword? Wait, what's a power sword?
Let's find out. Get ready to surprise him and web him up.
Got it!
What? Who's there?
Oops, sorry.
2 spiders. Good thing I brought my bag of tricks with me.
Watch out! They're full of goblin goo.
Gotcha! I keep itching.
Gotta run, spiders. And I'll be taking this book with me.
That book's staying here, Gobby.
You'll never find the power sword.
Yeah!
No matter. I already found the clue I need in that book. All I have to do now is find the place where the... what was it again? Armor is stored. Yeah, that's it. Sword rhymes with stored. Easy to remember. Yeah. You'll never catch me.
Whoa! What's up? Good thing we have a web shield.
I'm sorry, Spidey. My hiccups ruined our plan to sneak up on Green Goblin. Ugh.
It's okay, Spin. You know, when a plan doesn't work, I just find another way to save the day.